Cancer is billed to be the most fatal non-communicable disease in India. There are 2 million cancer cases in India at any given time, and 3 lakh deaths every year in India. Cancer patients suffer from acute pain. In India, less than 1% actually get effective pain relief. Over 700,000 new cancer patients are being diagnosed every year in India. And the count is on.
Om Jai Gange Mata Maiya Jai Gange.
Land of gods, land of holy river Ganges, the land where people come to live, to take a dip, to get rid of their sins and life too. This is Uttarakhand, a small hilly state in North India. Hills make this terrain tough and the life of those with ailments worse. This is another face of Uttarakhand, which gets more than 17,000 new cancer patients every year. Their pain and lack of medical facilities is deeply felt by few, who are concerned and are constantly on the move to reach them. Ganga Prem Hospice is a small organization working to make the last days of terminally ill cancer patients less agonizing for the patients themselves as well as their families. Sister Cicely Sebastian has reached a home which she visits every third day. And each time she is welcomed with open arms and her visit awaited eagerly. This is a part of the home care program of GPH, where Ganga Prem Hospice, nurse, palliative care counselors and volunteers visit the terminally ill cancer patients in their own homes and provide medical, social, emotional and spiritual support to the patient and their families. 65 years old Kishan Lal is suffering from throat cancer.
2-3 महीने पहले हम जो एक कैंप लगाया था हरिद्वार कनखल में, तो उस टाइम ये पेन सीवियर पेन करके आए थे और राइट साइड नेक करके। फिर हमारे डॉक्टर साहब ने इनको फ़िलहाल दवाई वगैरह पेन के लिए दिया और कुछ बायोप्सी की टेस्ट वगैरह करने के लिए भेज दिया और रिपोर्ट लेके ये वापस आया तो इनकी राइट साइड गले में जो कैंसर निकला है।
Regular visits with personal attention and involvement make the patients feel the Ganga Prem Hospice staff like an extension of their own family. In every case, an emotional bonding is established between the patient and the carer. Kishan Lal and his wife thank God for the day they went to Ganga Prem Hospice camp.
मदद तो ये सारी कर रहे हैं जी, हम तो मजदूरी भी नहीं कर रहे, अब मदद तो ये सारी कर रहे हैं, जो हमारा मतलब घर का भी खर्चा वो भी ये बर्दाश्त कर रहे हैं।
There are many others who are desperately waiting for Sister Sebastian, so she has to leave.
कहाँ है? लेटे हुए?
हाँ देखो आप।
हाँ सोहनलाल जी कैसे हो? लेटे हुए हो? उठ के नहीं बैठ पा रहे हैं? अब हम भी ले बैठूं आपके पास? और
दर्द बहुत है जी, क्या बोलूं।
बहुत ज़्यादा दर्द है।
Finally, Sister Sebastian leaves from here too and reminds Sohan Lal to be there at the camp on Sunday, last of the month. This is the last Sunday of the month. Ganga Prem Hospice started to offer free oncological consultations to its patients in Rishikesh in September 2007 through its monthly cancer clinics, which are held on the last Sunday of every month. Till date, more than 1,600 patients have been given free of charge consultations at the clinic. Cancer patients ranging from 4-year-old children to 80-year-olds have come from up to 250 kilometers away and travelled for hours to reach the Ganga Prem Hospice Clinic. They know that Dr. A.K. Diwan himself comes from Delhi every last Sunday of the month. Dr. Diwan, Medical Director of the Ganga Prem Hospice, travels to Rishikesh every month to give free consultations to cancer patients. Dr. Diwan is also the Medical Director of Rajiv Gandhi Cancer Institute and Research Centre, Delhi, and is one of the top surgical oncologists in India. Pankaj, a 32-year-old youth, a patient of throat cancer, one of those who got a ray of hope visiting the clinic. Here, treatment and healing is not just physical, but mental and spiritual too. After Dr. Diwan and other physicians have examined the patients, Sarojini Murthy gives them much needed counselling. Saying words of consolation and encouragement to despondent patients and their families, inquiring about their financial situations to assess what Ganga Prem Hospice can do to get them medical care, explaining the doctor's prognosis to patients who do not yet understand what disease is afflicting them. There are patients who can't even walk. Dr. Diwan himself walks to them. This journey of giving relief to cancer patients started a few years back when Dr. Diwan treated a cancer patient named Shraddha, who was then living near Uttarkashi.
और किसी भी नॉर्दर्न इंडिया के पार्ट में कोई हॉस्पिस इंडोर फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड नहीं कर रहा है। मींस पेशेंट को एडमिट करें, उनके रिलेशन भी रुकें, पेशेंट भी रुके और उसकी देखभाल हो लास्ट स्टेज के कैंसर पेशेंट्स में। तो हम वो लोग वो एक्टिविटी को करना चाहते हैं रायवाला एरिया में, और सब लोग जो भी एक्टिविटी कर रहे हैं वो होम केयर प्रोग्राम के माध्यम से कर रहे हैं। जैसे टर्मिनली इल कैंसर पेशेंट्स के घरों पर विज़िट करना, या पेशेंट्स आपके पास आ रहे हैं या उनके रिलेशंस आ रहे हैं, उनको इमोशनल सपोर्ट या साइकोलॉजिकल सपोर्ट देनी। मोस्टली जो एक्टिविटीज़ हैं इसी तक लिमिटेड हैं, उससे आगे नहीं। लेकिन हम लोग इंडोर फैसिलिटीज़ प्रोवाइड करना चाहते हैं। आउटडोर फैसिलिटी तो है ही है, होम केयर फैसिलिटी है, बेरीवमेंट प्रोग्राम है हमारा। तो इंडोर फैसिलिटी के थ्रू हम लोग फिजिकल, मेंटल, इमोशनल, स्पिरिचुअल, ऑल कंपोनेंट्स वी वांट टू एड्रेस।
The psychological and spiritual aspect is an important part of caring for cancer patients at Ganga Prem Hospice.
डॉक्टर साहब तो मेडिकली ही देख के चले जाते हैं, उसके बाद हम लोग, हमारा टीम जो है वो उनका विज़िट, होम विज़िट्स करते हैं और उसका डाइट केयर करते हैं, उसका ट्रीटमेंट्स जो भी कीमोथेरेपी हो, रेडियोथेरेपी हो, हम ले जाते हैं उसको हॉस्पिटल, जॉली ग्रांट हॉस्पिटल में थेरेपी के लिए। उसके बाद पोस्ट थेरेपी, उसके बाद जो भी साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स है वो सब हम रोज़ उनको जाके देखभाल करते हैं। एंड उसका all alongside we do all the counseling, because usually these patients are faced with depression, fear, unwillingness to let go the sharira, you know, the body. So this is a very important counseling that we have to do, and to help them to, you know, accept their disease.
This is the land where Ganga Prem Hospice will be built on the banks of Ganges. People are coming forward to help, but the task is not easy.
लोग ज़रूर आगे आएंगे, जब वो काम होते देखना चाहते हैं तो ज़रूर लोग आगे आएंगे। और अभी तक हम लोग जो क्लिनिक रन कर रहे हैं, अभी तक जो हमने लैंड ख़रीदा है, एंड आई एम क्वाइट ऑप्टिमिस्टिक, एंड I feel that first people will come forward for construction of this hospice facility. और बाकी जो मैं बात कर रहा हूँ 1000 rupees per bed per day, it will be once we are operational for such activity, this will be the regular running cost. But initial expenditure roughly may be running to 6 crores. And I'm sure we can do it.
There is a long way to go, but there are also many efforts with a sacred heart to make this dream come true.
We want to not only take people's pain, not only take their emotional difficulties, but help them to understand that this is a passage. If we can. We also have to understand it ourselves, but we want to share what we've tried.
Kishan Lal succumbed to cancer, lying on a cot in his small hut in Haridwar, 12 weeks after he spoke to us. Maya Devi died a month after we saw her at the Ganga Prem Hospice Clinic in Rishikesh. She died on the way to her native village in the mountains, as her landlord did not want a death in the house. For them, death would be easier at Ganga Prem Hospice. Let's help those lives for whom death is imminent.